Good evening. How are you all doing? Please check the audio if I'm clearly audible. If the visuals are all okay. I hope all of you can see this on the screen. Yes. So good evening. Are you excited for this session? Are you excited for this session? Let me know. Yes. Okay. All right. All going good. Let me know if I'm audible or not, if I'm visible or not. Yes, I am visible and audible. Hi, hi MW Bhagwan. Okay, how are you doing? So today, what we are doing today in this class? Today I am here to discuss your all the MCQ from the question bank of the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Okay, and I have many things to share with you today. So be with me till the end of the session, and we'll complete great deal of our portions in the MCQ department. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so first of all, how are all you feeling about your preparation of FA2? Everything is going good? I hope all of you have shared me the syllabuses for your maths. Yeah, then only I'll get to know what is coming for your syllabus, and according to that I'll help you in your FA2 as well. Yes. So still I'm waiting for others to join. Meanwhile, others who are in the live, you can let me know how are your preparation going for your maths, whether it is PU2, whether it is your KSAT. Yes, it's been a while since I've been live. Okay, I think almost 10-15 days I haven't had any live class with all of you. Yeah. Okay, so I was very eager to come here and talk to you all, discuss some mathematics with you, as well as get to know what is going on in your life right now, how much troubled you are, and how can I help you in that. Okay, so as you know, all know what is going to be the class sessions agenda today. Very simple. All MCQs of the question bank in the chapter Continuity and Differentiability will be discussed. Yes. All good? Yes, anything else you want to say? All of you are in live. Shall we start? You want to start solving the questions on the screen? Do you want to start solving questions on the screen? Over here you can see. Yeah, here you go. Please check. Your chapter number 5, C and D, and the most important part. Hi Nagraj, good evening. The most important part about this chapter, that there are total of only 4 chapters, right, which has 3 marker coming from it. There are total of 4 chapters which has 3 marker questions coming from it, and they are, one of these is this one, other is, excuse me, I'm not able to write over here. Other is AOD. Yes, this also has 3 mark. C and D will come for 3 mark. Okay, and apart from that you'll have I think vectors. Vector comes for also 3 marks, and probability. So total of 12 marks from these 4 chapters will come as per your latest blueprint given by your boards. Total of 12 marks will come from these 4 chapters. So C and D is one of the first and the easiest where can you score 3 marks in MCQs. And you know very well the importance of MCQs, the importance of your PU2 marks if you are a KSAT aspirant. Yes. Good evening. Hi Aki Akshay. Hello. Sir, you are you observing question bank model question 6 40 differentiation question fully different, sir? I'll check. We'll go by one by one. Okay, we'll go to all the questions one by one. Right now I'm just wishing you, sir, MCQ for unit test. Yes, we'll do that as well. Nagaraj is, you know why Nagaraj is asking? Because he got a very good rank, good marks in his midterms, and he got, I think, out in his MCQs of midterms. Don't worry, for your preparation of FA2 I will assist you in best way possible. Okay, you'll have that on time. Okay, MCQ 2 marker, 3 marker, I'll discuss all of it. Okay, great. So how we gonna go ahead in this session? What is the planning? Very simple. List of questions are given over here. In that you'll tell me the options. I'll tell you what is the answer over here, because most of the questions don't need me to write so many result, because usually we can directly solve these problems. Okay, so I have done for all of you. So do one thing, just keep a rough page and paper and pen with you, because usually I solve everything and you have to just listen to me, but today I might ask you to solve and give me the result, because I will not be doing any much detailed work over here. Okay, is that acceptable? Everyone, is that acceptable? Will you be able to solve the questions, and whatever answer I tell you, can you cross check with me? Yes. So 4 chapters discussed already. AOD, CND, vectors and probability. 3 marks each will come from all these 4 chapters, total of 12 out of 20. So you have to conquer all these 4 chapters. All these 4 chapters. Let me erase this right now. Okay. Alright. So I think question number 1 can we start with? Question number 1, who is giving me the answers for question number 1? Sir, how can I solve this problem, sir? Differentiate sine inverse of 2 power x plus 1. Okay, I think you have not followed my session. Hi, I'm Bhagwan. Have you not followed my session? Because I have solved this exact question. Learning 921. Just take 2 power x as tan, right? Take 2 power x as tan. Then it will become 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. That's the formula of sine 2 theta in terms of tan. Yes. Okay, you're Asya. You changed your name. All right. Sorry. Yes. So you are one of our regular classes, regular students. Okay. So learning 921. I hope you got my answer. The question that you asked me in the chat right now, just take 2 power x as tan theta. Your question will become 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square. That is formula of sine 2 theta. Then you can solve it from there. Okay? Yes. So everyone who are in the live, you can start solving the questions. Number by number, give me the options. I want to see your participations. I hope this is clearly visible. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me. So I hope you all know how many questions are there. Total of 70 questions are there. Total of 70. So we have to be quick in this answers. Namaskara, Hemendra. Namaskara, Hemendra. Welcome, learning 921. Okay, so question number 1. Which of the following is true for the function f given by fx equals to mod of x minus 1? Discontinuous? No, it's not discontinuous. Modulus is always continuous but not differentiable. Continuous but not differentiable. That is option B. So clear. Option B is the right choice. Option B is the right choice. Yes. So don't know, solve, sir. It's okay. I will solve it. Prajwal. So with starting now, can I score 100 in maths? Yes, you can. Of course, you have too much time. Don't worry about that. Acha, to answer that query, okay, actually I have something for all of you. And as a request, you have to do it right now. Okay. So simply visit our channel. You are already on the channel. So visit there and you'll come and see this live schedule for tomorrow. All of you who are in PU2 writing this boards in 2026, you have to go and just like the session. This is the like, right? Just go ahead and like the session. Right now, all of you who are in the live, go ahead. I'm not audible. Preksha is saying I'm not audible. Others, please let me know. Others, please let me know. So any help you want, I'm telling you, this is going to be the biggest surprise for all of you. Just do one thing right now. Go ahead and like this particular live and keep the notification bell on. Do not miss the live of tomorrow at 6 p.m. You'll be surprised what we have done for all of you. Okay, so just don't look at the title right now. Don't worry about any of the things. Right now, you have to just go ahead, like this button and like this scheduled live and wait for tomorrow 6 p.m. Okay, we are bringing a big surprise for all of you who are starting late and still want to get that, top marks in PU2 boards. Yes, so I want to see all of you go right now to our channel and like this particular live. Okay, did you hear me? It is not found. What is it? Prajwal, I didn't get your question. Simply, you can go to our channel, no, Deeksha Karnataka. Yes, if you visit that Deeksha Karnataka channel, you can go and find it on our live. See here, there's a live button over here. You can go and click on the live button, and this, all the lives are scheduled. You can go and click on this live and like this over here. Okay, so all of you go ahead and like this button. 3 question, how to do, sir? I will tell you, Hemendra. Don't worry, question number 2 answer is B. I'll start. Sir, I know all 5 markers, 6 markers, 3 marker. I want to become perfect in MCQs only. Then you are at the right place. Ask Nagaraj. Nagaraj, tell him he wants to be best in MCQs. Is he at the right place or not? Is he at the right place or not? He will tell he's somebody who has followed my session and he got out marks in MCQs. Okay, so don't worry about that. You're at the right place, Prajwal. I'll take care of the things. Okay, just leave it for me. So for now, as I requested all of you to go and like this live right away. Okay, I cannot see the like going up, so I know you're listening to me but not following my words. Okay, when I'm asking you, go ahead bacha, like this live is for your benefit. If you do not come tomorrow for this live, then you will be at loss. I can just say that. This is the last chance for you to actually get that top score in your PU2 boards. For that, just go ahead, like the session and wait for tomorrow's live at 6 p.m. Now let me continue. Hemendra, your answer for question number 2 was B, left hand derivative at this. Bacha, yes, that's correct. Because if you branch this out, it will become what? Minus x and x. This function will be minus x and x. So derivative will become minus 1 and plus 1. This is my left hand derivative. So answer will be option B only. Now question number 3. The right hand derivative of this function. This function will be what? Right hand derivative. Check here, if you branch it out, this also will become x minus 2 as the right hand part and minus x plus 2 as the left hand part. Minus x plus 2 as the left hand part. If you differentiate the right hand part, you will get this as 1. This will be your right hand derivative. This will be your right hand derivative. What is your answer? Your answer is 1. Question number 3, answer is 1 with the same principle, with the same way. Yes. 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 Okay. So you can't see this in the channel. You can go ahead, check the live. Okay, the live is scheduled. There you'll find for the PU2 crash course. Tomorrow 6 p.m. I'm coming in that live. You'll be surprised what I'm doing in there. Okay. So question number 1, option is B, 2 is B, 3 is A. I think now it's time to take a move on. Question number 4. Anybody who has doubt, let me know. I'm going to continue now because we have so many to do in such a small amount of time. Let's start. Question number 4. The greatest integer function defined like this is, we all know it is discontinuous at every integer. If you have attended my class, you know that at every integer, there's a break in the GIF. It is a step function, right? So what happens is there, discontinuous at every integer. Discontinuous and non-differentiable. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. I think this is not visible. Let me change the ink color. Which will work? I think red might work. Okay, red might work. Let's try. Or maybe blue will be better. Let's try blue. Okay. So this is your answer, option D. Option D is correct. Yeah. Question number 5. So 4D is right. You're right, Hemendra. Superb. Thank you, Prajwal. And do attend the class tomorrow, okay? Yes, Nagaraj is also giving me the answer. Do let me know the question number next to the answer because otherwise there are too many. I will miss out on your answers. Okay? Yes. Next, what is there? Question number 5, number of points in the interval in which the given function GIF of x denotes the greatest integer is not differentiable. In this point, the number of integers you have to find out. They are saying in this interval, how many points are there where it is non-differentiable. So basically we know that GIF of x is discontinuous and non-differentiable at integral point. So find it over here. You'll have minus 2, you'll have minus 1, you'll have 0, 1 and 2. So how many points are there? 5. Your answer is option C. 6th one. The GIF of x is discontinuous at 0, right? Discontinuous at 0. So option D is correct. Definition based questions. Next, the derivative fx equals to mod of x minus 3 at x equal to 3. Derivative will be not differentiable, not possible to find because for this function you will not have the derivative possible, right? Because your RHD over here will be 1 and your LHD over here will be minus 1 and they are not equal. The left hand derivative is minus 1, the right hand derivative is 1. They are not equal means the derivative does not exist. Next question. Yes, the statement which is not true in the option given below, not true. Every polynomial function is a continuous function, true. Rational function, if it is defined in domain, always continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous, correct. Yes, option D is the incorrect option because every continuous function, take example of modulus function, continuous, yes. Differentiable, no, because of the sharp corner. Check this modulus, this RHD is coming as 1 and this LHD is coming as -1. The slope over here, this is 45, no? So 1, the slope is -1. Okay? This slope is 135, no? Tan 135 is -1, tan 45 is +1. Okay? So RHD is 1, LHD is -1, so non-differentiable. So this statement is wrong. Even though the function is continuous, but the function is non-differentiable. Next, ninth one. The function fx equals to mod of x minus a. Same condition. Continuous but not differentiable. Option B. So far any doubt is there, let me know. So far any doubt is there, let me know. How can I learn theory, sir? I have taught you the theories, no? Have I not? So, and Prajwal, for that only I'm telling you, come tomorrow. Okay? Come tomorrow in the session. You will see what's going to happen. Come tomorrow at 6 p.m. Everybody who has doubt, who's concerned about their preparation of PU2, come tomorrow in the live. We'll discuss everything. Okay? Can we continue now? So far anybody has doubt, can you tell me? No. If not, can I continue? Yes. If you have doubt, if I'm not looking at your comments, don't worry, I'll check back once in a while, but I have to focus on problems as well. Okay? Question number 10 now. Okay, question number 10 now. The function fx equals to mod of x plus mod of x minus 1. I have taught you this problem. Remember, there will be two critical points, -1 and +1, and the graph will be what? The graph will be like this, if you remember. If you take this at 1, between -1 and 1, what's the value between -1 and 1? So this will be positive. Okay, so x plus 1, this will be negative, so 2x actually, right? This will become, no, not 2x, will become 2 actually. Excuse me guys, sorry. Yeah, so this will be, this is your graph. Yeah, this is the graph. This is your graph. On this side it will be both positive, no? So where's the function? Here will be 2x, only 2x, y equal to 2x is there. And on this side what I'll have, if I go on this side, it will be both positive, so both will open with a plus sign. This is -1, this point is +1, so on this side will be both negative, so it will become minus of x minus 1, and this will become minus of x plus 1. This is going to be y equal to -2x curve. This is -2x curve, and this is y equal to 2 line. This is y equal to 2 line. I hope you can see the curve. So there are two point of sharp corners, which is going to give me non-differentiable part but continuous everywhere. Okay, so continuous at both the points. Yeah, option A. If you talk about differentiability, at both the points, non-differentiable. Okay, I hope there is no doubt in question number 10. 11th one now. Derivative of this, I think everybody can give me the answer for the 11th one. Okay, so Rukmeen has a doubt. So trick tells sir. Tricks I have given you guys. Prajwal, I have given you tricks in my sessions. Go ahead, check my trick playlist. Okay, yeah. So Rukmini has a doubt. What is it? Rukmini has a doubt. So every differentiable function is continuous, but in 9th question continuous but not differentiable. Correct? No? This is ulta, okay? Every continuous is differentiable. Sorry, every differentiable is continuous, but ulta is not possible. Okay? Every continuous is not differentiable. I give example of modulus function right now. Modulus function is always continuous but not differentiable because of the sharp corner. Okay? Clear? Yeah. So you can see 11th one now. Sec square 2x plus 3 into 2. I think everybody will give me the right answer for this one. Sine will become cos of cos x square, and you'll have cos will become minus sine. So for this sine you'll have cos of cos x square. Okay, so cos of cos x square. So there are three options like this. Next you'll have this cos, it'll become minus sine. So with the negative option we have only one. Option D. We have only one negative option. Yeah. Okay, next, x minus y equal to pi dy by dx. If you differentiate this, you'll have this as 1 minus dy by dx. This is going to be what? 0, right? So you'll have the answer as 1, I guess. Please check. Answer is 1. Yeah, answer is 1. Next, question number 14. If y is sine inverse of x, this is sine inverse of 1 minus x square, differentiate this and give me the result. Can you solve this question? Can all of you solve this problem? I want the answer from all of you in the question number 14, please. Question number 14. Because this is going to be a little bit calculative and difficult to solve over here. This will be what? 1 upon root of 1 minus x square, and this will be what? You have to use chain rule over here. Once for sine inverse, once for this root, once for this value inside the root, 1 minus x square. So you'll have this as 1 upon square of this will become what? Simply 2x, I guess. Simply x actually. This will become simply x. Check, check, check. What is the answer? I'm waiting for your answer. 13 can be minus 1, right, sir? 13 can be minus 1. Let me check. This will be 1. This will be dy by dx with a negative sign. This will be 0, right? So I'll get 1 minus dy by dx equal to 0, right? So I get this value as, if I move on this side, I'll get what? Positive only one, no? Hemendra, please check 13th. Yeah, check. 13 is 1. 13 is not minus 1. 13 is 1. Check this out. Yeah. 14th one now. Guys, please solve the 14th one. This is very much clear. This will come as this exact value. And what about this? It will become 1 upon square root 1 minus a square of this. So it will become minus 1 plus x square. Correct? A square of this, if you take a minus sign, it will square root will cancel with the square. You will have minus 1 plus x square. And the derivative of the root will become 1 upon 2 root 1 minus x square. That's the derivative of this whole root. And then one more time, minus 2x for the thing inside the root. Okay, check this out. This over here is nothing but 1 and 1 is cancelled. You have x square, root means x only, so this x is cancelled. This 2 is also cancelled. I am left with minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Okay, this is negative and this is positive. This was also there, no, for first sine inverse. So answer will become option C. Answer will be option C. Check once. Yes. So I got an answer from Nagaraj. 14th option is 0. Rukmini also has given me the correct answer. Yes. Next. So I hope others are able to solve. But whatever is your result, if you are in the live, please give me the result. Okay, whatever the answer, ask me your doubts. Otherwise, there's no point of taking the lives or being in the lives. Okay. So if you are here, if you're watching me in this live session, ask your concerns, ask your doubts. Okay. Super. All right. So I think this is clear. 14th is option C. 15th one now. Come on, quickly, let's solve it now. Yeah, 15th one. Give me the answers. 15th is C. Cos inverse of sin x will become, yeah. Is it C or minus? Is it C or D actually? I think it should be D, no? It will become minus 1. 1 second. It will become cos inverse derivative will be minus 1 upon root of 1 minus sin square x. And derivative of sin will be what? Cos x. So this is nothing but cos x, answer will be minus 1. Hemraj, your answers are, Hemendra, your answer is very close, but it is wrong in couple of times. Please avoid these silly mistakes. You lose marks there. You cannot have silly mistakes. You cannot have silly mistakes. Next, question number 16. This is simple. A par x will become A par x ln A. This is correct. This will be 0. So option is C, I think. Option is C only. Because this is a constant, A par A is a constant, that will become plus 0. Next, 17th question. Sec of tan root of x, I have taught you these questions many times, okay. Sec will be sec into tan. Sec derivative is what? Sec into tan. So sec of this angle into tan of this angle. Then derivative of tan will become sec square of root x. That is also there. And derivative of 1 by 2 root x will have this. Okay, so I think answer is this only, right? Please check. Differentiate once sec the outside, you'll get sec into tan. Then differentiate tan, you'll get sec square. Sec square. Differentiate root x, you'll get 1 by 2 root x. Option C. 18th one. Cos of root x is there. Derivative will be what? Minus sine root x. Okay, first of all. And then you'll have 1 by 2 root x. So minus sine root x, 1 by 2 root x. Yes. Okay. 19. Derivative of e power 2 log e power x, log of x will become what? It will become simply e power log will be cancelled. You'll have answer as x square. Derivative will be option C, 2x. Option C, 2x. Anybody has doubt, let me know in the comment section, because I might be skipping some things right now, but if you ask me, I can tell you that. Okay, so don't feel that others are getting the answers very quickly, sir, why am I not getting the answers? Okay, don't feel that way, bacha. Next, 20th, derivative of e power minus x with respect to x will be e power minus x into minus 1. So there is, where is it? Option A. This will be remaining as it is, e power minus x, and derivative of minus x is how much? Minus 1. That's why the minus sign outside. Okay. 21. If y equal to cos inverse of e power x is there, very simple, cos inverse derivative is going to be minus 1 upon root of 1 minus e power x square, so e power 2x, and derivative of e power x with chain rule, so e power x with a minus sign upon this. Option B. Option B. 22. Y equal to sine inverse of x root x. Okay, so for sine inverse, what are you gonna get? You'll get this as 1 upon root of square of this. So you'll have 1 minus x cube. Can you see that? What is this? This is nothing but x power 3 by 2, guys. X power 3 by 2. If you square, it will become 2 and 2 cancelled. You'll have x cube left. Now differentiate x root x. So you'll have this as 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2. X power 1 by 2. How come, sir? This is x power 3 by 2. No, differentiate this. You'll have 3 by 2 as the coefficient and 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 will come and x power 1 by 2 will come. So you have 3 by 2 root x 1 minus x cube. Option C. Option C. So let me check. So far, any doubt? So far, any doubt? Till question number 22, any doubt? 22 is C, guys. Yes. 21 is B. Yes. So far, no doubt. If I am going faster, let me know. If you think I should explain something, let me know. Okay? Don't worry about your peers, your friends in this life, and they are going, all getting right and right. Doesn't matter. You let me know your concern. I'll answer that. I'll ask them. I'll request them to wait, and I'll clear your doubt. Okay? Moving on. Sir, live is ending. No. Oh, live is ending. So I have total of 70 questions. In this chapter, total are 70 questions. Once you are all gone, I'll end the live. If you're here with me, I'll continue. Okay? There's no time constraint. 23. Root of e power root x. What is the answer for this? 1 by, first of all, I'll differentiate the outer root. So I'll have 1 by 2. This same thing will come in the denominator. E power root x. Then differentiate e power root x. We'll have same thing. E power root x in the numerator. Differentiate root x. We'll have 1 by 2 root x. Total you have 1 by 4 root x into e power root x and e power root x in the numerator. So which is the right option? 1 by 4 should be there. So 1 by 4 is only in the option D. Only is the option D. Okay. Question number 24 now. Derivative of e power sine inverse of x with respect to x. Derivative of this e power sine inverse of x with respect to x. First of all, it will remain as it is for the e power sine inverse of x. Differentiate sine inverse, you'll have 1. You'll have, for this derivative will be what? 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Positive 1, okay? So this is the answer A. 24A, 25 also I have got the answer from somebody. Hemendra has given the answer, going strong. So 3 people right now are competing, Nagaraj, Hemendra and Rukmini. Others, please come back in the live and answer the questions. Okay? Don't think you are not able to answer all of them properly. If I'm going fast, ask me, just slow down. Okay, how will I go? How will I know without you telling me? Hi Asian Warrior, you're late. Okay, question number 25. Y equal to sine log x. Derivative of sine is cos log x. Derivative of log is 1 by x. So cos log x by 1 by x. If you differentiate, okay, I have the answer as cos log x by x. Okay, if y is sine log x, 1 minus y square will be what? Cos square log x. Root will be what? This will be a value of cos log x. If you're not sure, think about it. If sine theta is y, listen to me, if sine theta is y, then 1 minus y square is what? Cos theta. Listen to me, if y is sine theta means 1 minus y square is cos theta. I had cos log x by x, so this is the answer, option C. Answer is option C. Clear? Okay. 1 second. Let me erase this information over here. Yeah. 1 second. Yes, let's continue. 26. Y is log of log x. Derivative is what? First of all, you're going to differentiate this log, so you'll get 1 by log x and then x. Option is B. Next, 27. Log of log x with the base 7. You'll get 1 by log x over here with ln 7. Yeah, option A. Yes. Second derivative of this. So derivative of this will be what? 1 by x. This will be 1 by x. And derivative of 1 by x is how much? Minus 1 by x square. So option is D. Option is D. So far we have covered how many questions? 28 questions. 28 questions. Yes. Going strong? Superb. Next. Asian, if you are giving me the answer, give me the question number as well. Give me the question number as well. Yeah. Okay. 29th. X power 20 derivative will be what? Second derivative. So differentiate this once, you'll get y dash as 20 into x power 19. Differentiate again, you'll get 380 x power 18. Okay. Option is C. Option is C. Yeah. So next what we have, 30th. Sin x square will become cos x square and then 2x. Cos x square and 2x, option D is correct. Don't forget, there are 3 questions coming from this chapter in your final boards. Okay. So very, very important. As for your latest blueprint. This is done. Next question. Yeah. So far we have covered 30 questions in 30 minutes. Yes. If I'm going faster, let me know, I can slow down. 31 I have to solve, right, first. Yeah. Derivative of f given by this exists in which domain? Wherever this is defined, that is defined where? -1 to 1. Where have you learnt it? ITF. Yes. Derivative of f given by fx equal to tan inverse of x, defined where? All real number. Graph of tan inverse, if you remember, the graph goes like this. This is minus pi by 2 and this is pi by 2. Right? The graph of tan inverse of x. Suppose f and g are 2 real functions, continuous. Then, which is the, yeah, this all has to be continuous, no? So this is only one which is giving continuous. Option D is correct. Sum is continuous, difference is continuous, product is continuous, and ratio is also continuous if f and g is continuous at any given point. Okay? Okay. Doubt? I don't think you'll have any doubt so far. Sin of ax plus b derivative. Sin will become cos. Sin will become cos. Then you'll have a also if you differentiate this by chain rule. So a cos ax plus b. Yes. A cos ax plus b. Yes. Check the answer for 30 is option B. Okay, I'll check Rukmini, 1 second. Others please continue. 30, 1 second, I'll check. 30 option B is right? No. So Rukmini, you have to differentiate x square also, no? So if you differentiate x square, you'll get 2x, right? If you do that, you'll get 2x over here, not just 2. So 30 is D, not C. You're saying B here? No, not B, not B. Sign will be cos x square. There's no sin x cos x involved. Okay, so why 30 option D is correct. Please cross check once your answer. Here you go, others. 35th one, sin cos x will become cos x and minus sin x. Cos x from this first sign, and this cos will become minus sin x. So cos x and minus sin x, option C is correct. 36, derivative of sin of x square plus 5, cos x square plus 5 into 2x. Yeah, option D. Come on. 36 is option D. 37th. 37th. Please check. I'll have some water by that time. 37 to 42 is visible on the screen. You can solve it right now. Should I slow down? Am I going a little faster? Let me know. Should I slow down? Okay. Am I in the way? 37 to 42. Solve it, please. Should I slow down, guys? Derivative of 2 root cot x square. 2 is a constant. Derivative of this root we're going to take first. It will come in the denominator. Okay. So you'll have 1 by 2. You'll have 1 by 2. So this 2 is as it is. You'll have 1 by 2 root cot x square. Derivative of cot will become what? Minus cosec square x square, and derivative of x square will be what? 2x. Okay, differentiate x square, you'll have 2x over here also. So this 2 and 2 is cancelled. You'll have minus 2x cos x square by cot x square, minus 2x cosec square x square by cot x square. Option C is correct. Yes? Confusing? Doubt? No doubt. None. Okay. So 37C everybody has got. Everyone has got 37C. 1 second. Let me erase this. Let me erase this. 1 second. 38. Y equal to cos log x plus ex. To differentiate cos first, you'll have minus sign. You'll have minus sign with the same thing. So we have two options, C or D. Differentiate log x first, you'll have 1 by x. This will be as it is. Okay. So this is the option D. Log x will be 1 by x. This is as it is. Check. Next. 39. Y equals to log of cos of ex. So log will become what? 1 by cos of ex. So 1 by cos means I can write here cos of ex. Derivative of cos will become minus sin ex, and derivative of ex will be ex. So answer is what? Minus tan of ex into ex. Right? Option A. 40. Derivative of this e power x square will remain as it is. This will have 2x, 3x square and 4x cube and 5x power 4 as it is. When you put the value of e, you'll get 15e as the answer. Have I taught you these questions? Yes, Ida Brahmastra. Yes. 40 is B. 40 is B. Derivative of this is parametric form. You have to differentiate y with t and x with again t. If you differentiate y with t, you'll get what? Simply 2a. Differentiate this x with t, you'll get 2at. Ratio will become what? 1 by t. So option C. Option C. Yes. Yes, Asian warriors. Continue. 42. Come on. Onwards, guys. Still waiting for all of you. Okay, 42A is the answer given by Nagaraj. GIF of integral not differentiable at all the not differentiable, all the integral part is written, no? Non-integral points. No, they'll be differentiable in that case. It'll be 1 to 2, right? Not differentiable at 1 to 2, no? Option C, please check. What have you given the answer as? Okay, sir, इतने हल्के question कभी नहीं देखे हैं. What can I do? These questions are from your question bank. I have not made them, right? So this is what they are expecting from you. क्या? Okay, Pranav Sharma. Rukmini has also given the right answer. B. What is the B answer for? Asian, you give me the answer with the options, no, bacha, with the question. How would I know which is the choice? Okay. Next. 43 now. The number of points in the set of real numbers are in which the function fx equals to mod of x plus 1 is not differentiable. Same. There are 2 points, right? No? X equal to 0 and x equals to -1. I just taught you a question like this, remember, right now? You can plot. Yeah? Okay. Answer will be what? Number of points means C. Whoever has joined late, I gave you no answer. This one. The graph I drew and explained you as well. -1 will be over here. Check. -1 is over here. 0 is over there. You'll have a graph like this actually. Right? Between that it'll be positive. This one, this is negative. So you'll have -x, x plus 1. This will become 1 only, right? This is 1. And this will be what? On the right hand side, both positive, 2x plus 1. This graph is 2x plus 1. And this graph will be what? This graph will be minus 2x minus 1, right? This will be minus 2x plus 1. No, minus 2x minus 1, I think. Both negative. No, minus 2x minus 1. Excuse me. Minus 2x minus 1. Actually. Yeah. Yes. Minus 2x minus 1. That's your graph. So you'll have 2 point where it is non-differentiable because of the corner point. 43. Good question. Yes. Okay. No, not in boards. Only they have written in the question bank actually. Not in board. They'll not give you in the boards. Okay. Next. What is next question? Check here. So 44th one. A sin x, b cos x derivative will become what? Minus y. If you want to differentiate it, you'll get first derivative will be y1 will be what? Y1 will be your a cos x minus b sin x. A cos x minus b sin x. Right? No? A cos x minus b sin x. Differentiate one more time. You'll have this as minus a sin x and minus b cos x. Take minus sign common, you'll have a sin x plus b cos x, which is same as the y. Hence, the option is B. 44th option is B. 45th one. Y equal to 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Second derivative plus y. This will become simply, check here, this will become simply 0. Same concept. Apply like this, you'll get what? Let me try it over here. You'll get this as 5 cos x minus 3 sin x is there, no? Have a look. So you'll have this as 5 minus 5 cos x and minus 3, minus 5, excuse me, sin x, no? This is sin, okay? This is minus 5 sin x and minus 3 cos x actually. Differentiate one more time, you'll have this as minus 5 cos x and over here you'll have plus 3 sin x, okay? this is nothing but minus of y. So this is your second derivative. So your y double dash is equal to minus y means move on this side, you'll get y double dash plus y equal to 0. So what is the answer? 45 answer is option A. Yeah. Yes. Okay, next 46th one. So far nobody has asked any doubt. It means everybody knows what they are doing. Good. Okay, I would expect this kind of result also in your FA2, in your pre-boards, in your boards. You have to come back after every test and let me know what is your score. Okay, in any of my videos, comment your name and score. I want to know how much progress you are making. Okay, come on. Statement number 1. Statement-based questions have been introduced now. Statement number 1. Okay, function is discontinuous at 0. Wrong. Non-differentiable, correct. So 1 is true, 1 is false, 2 is true. Okay, so 1 is false and 2 is true. Option B. Yes, super. Next, 47. Yes, 47 now. So I really hope that you have all subscribed our channel, right? We are bringing in so many things for all of you. One thing that we expect from all of you is to subscribe the channel right now if you have not. But I think many of you are regulars only. But if your friends are watching, if anybody is watching, do support us, okay? And not just support actually. This will be your best place to prepare for your PU2, for your KSAT. You'll not find any channel, any platform which is as relevant, as concerned, as result oriented as this one. Okay, so any requirement you have to tell me in the comment section, and rest we'll take care. Just follow us, just be with us till the end of the session. Like end means till the end of your 12th, your PU2 is over, you'll see your good result for sure. Okay, yes, so I have the answers now from Rukmini and Nagaraj. They're not stopping. I thought I'll take a break, but they did not. 47 D is right. Let's check. Function fx equals to gif of x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Okay, denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to 1. Correct. No discontinuous at, yeah, this is right. gif of x is not discontinuous at all integer points. Correct. No, both of them are true. D. Rukmini is correct. Yes. Yeah. 47 D. Others answers please. 48 now. Assertion is the function fx equals to mod of x minus 1 is continuous and differentiable. No, not differentiable. Continuous yes, but differentiable no, not possible. And at 0 they are saying. Yes, it's possible. Sorry sir, it's possible. My bad. They said 0. It's very important. Okay, this is true then. I'll show you. I'll draw the graph. Draw this graph of mod of x minus 1. So x equals to 1, you'll have this. This is the curve, right? So at 0, this is going to be a differentiable and continuous function. No problem, okay? So this is true statement. 47.8a is true. Every differential function is continuous. Correct? Both of these are true. So option is D. I hope there's no doubt about this question, assertion part. No doubt, right? Okay. So we'll close. Come on. We're about to reach the end of the session. Just few more questions to go. Yes. All right. So next we have question number 49. fx equals to mod of x minus 3 continuous at x equal to 3. Correct? Differentiable? No. Differentiable? No. Continuous? Yes. So this is true. This is false. A is true. R is false. Option C is right. 50th question. Statement 1. If fx is continuous at x equals to a, then limit fx equals to f of a. Limits fx equals to f of a. What happened, guys? Tired? Is it too much for one session? Is the questions that I'm doing is too much for one session? Should I stop right now? Let me know. I want a break. Are you tired? What's the feeling? Yes, you're back now. Rukmini and Nagaraj have given the answer. 49C and 50C. Okay. X is continuous means limit of, okay, that's true. Differentiable function is continuous. Both of them are true. Yes. Both of them are true, but doesn't explain the assertion. That's true because this is about the limit of the function, continuity, but this talks about the relation of differentiable and continuous function. They are both true, but it doesn't explain the statement number 1. Question number 51 now. Question number 51 now. Come on. Okay. So let's complete this. Let's complete this. I can see your energy. Good. Let's complete this. Yeah. 51. Left hand derivative fx equals to mod of x at 0. That's correct. This is minus 1 only LHD. The LHD is minus 1. Yes, this is also true. They're both true only. Left hand derivative. And no, this is going to be limit, right? This is going to be limit of the function, not the derivative. No, this is not true. This is false. Because for left hand derivative, you will have this, remember, f of a minus h minus f of h divided by h when limit h tends to 0. Limit. This is your answer for the left hand derivative. Right? So your answer 1 is true, 2 is false. 51. Hi Ganesh. You are late. I hope you all have the notification of the sessions on, right? Because all the lectures which is scheduled is first informed and messaged in your WhatsApp channel. So if you're not joined yet, please join in. I'm about to close the session and you have joined now. See how much questions you have missed, bacha. Come on. Let's start. If the college, that's okay, unfortunately. Okay, you can watch it again. It's going to be very, very important session. 3 mark questions will come from this particular chapter, okay? I've done all the MCQs. Go ahead and check it out from the entire question bank I've done. And this is the latest one, the 2026 paper. Okay, chaliye. 51, any doubt in 51? Yeah, no doubt. So anyone has doubt in 51? No. Rukmini, Nagaraj, you have doubt in 51, bacha? No, right? Okay. 52. Right hand derivative of, now this is the fill in the blanks. Right hand derivative at 1 will be what? 1 only, no? That, because if you differentiate, if you define the function f of x, you'll get what? You'll get x and minus x for x more than 0 and for x less than 0. If you differentiate f dash of x, you'll get what? 1 and minus 1. So this is your for x more than 0, for x less than 0. I'm looking for at 1. What are you going to get the right hand derivative? It'll be 1 only, right? So answer is 1. This 2 cos x 3 sin x, we know this. I've solved a question like this right now. It'll always come as 0. 2 cos x 3 sin x will always come as 0 second derivative, because second derivative is equals to minus y. Actually what happens is second derivative is equals to minus y. Double derivative is equals to minus y. So that's why this will be always 0. Next. Left hand derivative of this given function at 7 will be minus 1. Will be minus 1. Excuse me. I made a mistake in the first question. Okay. 1 second. Yes. Did you guys point it out? Let me check how many of you pointed it out. Okay, 52 is wrong. I've done 52 wrong. Let me check. Somebody has pointed out or not? 53, 0 correct. 52, anybody pointed out? Nobody has pointed out. Yes. No, it is correct only, but I have taken the wrong definition over there. The answer is correct, but it is the wrong definition. 52, Rukmani had some clue about it, what I'm doing there, but it is wrong. Okay, wait. I'll draw it. So, Nagaraj, you missed it, unfortunately. Okay. I'll get back to question number 52. 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Answer is correct only, but the approach is wrong. And I can't teach you wrong things. That cannot be there. Okay. 1 second. So, wait. Let me explain you this one more time. So, they're saying right hand derivative of the function y equal to mod x at x equals to 1. Draw the curve. Mod x. The critical point is at 0. Derivative means what? Derivative means what? Derivative means slope. Derivative means slope. Derivative at which point? At this point x equals to 1. At this point, whether you take right or left, slope will be what? Slope will be 1 only. Yes, so at this point, whether it go right or left, the line remains same. The slope is 1 only. So answer is 1, correct. Answer is 1, correct. Rukmini, you said -1, but answer is 1 only, bacha. But the concept is that since the line is same, that's why answer is 1. But this 1 is not the critical point. The critical point is 0 actually over here. So at 1, the given function is differentiable actually. At 1, the given function is differentiable actually, but the critical point is 0. I just wanted to clarify that. I just skipped that. I did not explain you that part. That's why I came back to this problem. Okay, 52 is 1 only, not -1, but I hope you got it. Left hand derivative of this is -1. This is clear because this is the critical point. This is the critical point. Okay, this is -1. Okay, got it? Yeah. The number of points in R at which the given function is not differentiable is going to be what? Is 2, sir. I explained you at x equals to 0 and at x equals to -1. I explained the graph also for this question. For the figure given below, slope of the tangent to the curve x equals to a. Okay, slope they're asking. Okay, 1 second. I'll just go through this. First, let me clarify and understand you all got the 52 or not. Yeah. Yes, superb, Nagaraj. Good. Just wanted to clarify that what happened in that question. Okay. So Rukmini, I got it. I hope you got it. 50 so far. It's all good. Let me get back to the question number 56. Anybody has the answer for 56? No one. What happened? You slowed down. Am I going faster? No. Okay. For the figure given below, slope of the tangent to the curve x equals to a. Okay. Slope they're asking is what? Slope they're asking. So limit of f of x, limit f dash of a only, right? Functions, what is the answer going to be over here? Forget about this. Slope is given by derivative at that point. If the function is fx, derivative will be given by f dash of x. At the point means simply f dash of a. So answer will be what, dear? Option D. Option D. Please check. 56 is answer option D. Yes. 2. Somebody said 2. IDJ, I did not get your question, please. Tell me. Superb. Next, can we continue? Can we continue? 56 everybody got? 56 everybody got, right? Yeah. Yes. 57 now. For the figure given below, consider the following statement 1 and 2. The given function is differentiable at x equal to 0. No, that's not true. Okay, that's 0. Yes, it's true. Sorry. This is true. This is a straight line. It will be differentiable, no? Continuous and differentiable. Yeah, 1 second. And the given function is continuous at x equals to 1. Both of them are true. Continuous, yes. Differentiable, yes, at point 0. The point makes the difference. So both of them are true. Option C. 58. Consider the following statement about the function. Continuous at, yeah, correct. Differentiable at 0. Both of them are correct. Correct, no, both of these are correct. Okay, because if you draw the graph of this, you'll have the answer as, the graph will be this, no bacha? Yeah, the graph will be this. This is 2. So at 2 it is continuous, at 0 it is differentiable. Okay, so we have both of them are true. So option B. 58 is option B. Yeah. Yes. 57C, 58 is option B. 59. Derivative of 2x plus 3y equal to sine 3x. Sine x, sorry. Differentiate it. This is the parametric form. You'll have the answer as 2 plus 3y dash equals to cos x. I'm looking for y dash value, so 2 minus cos x upon 3. Yeah? 2 minus cos x upon 3. 1 second. No, cos x minus 2. Sorry. Cos x minus 2. I have to bring this 2 on the other side, no? So cos x minus 2. Option B. Option B. Yes. Okay. 58 is A. B. 58 is A. How? 58 is B. Please check, Rukmini. 58 is B. And 59 is B. Rukmini, check your answer, please. 60. If the function fx equals to a power x, domain is what? All real, correct. Continuous function, yes. Differentiable at 0, yes. All these are correct. How come, sir? Draw the curve. The curve of a power x is like this. The curve of a power x is like this. Or if you want to take a less than 1 and more than 0, it will become like this. But same thing. Continuous, differentiable everywhere. Okay. So answer is 60D. Yes. Okay. Modulus function is continuous function, correct? That's true. 58 you're talking about. It's saying not continuous. Sorry. I did not read it. I read superb. Superb, Rukmini. Thank you for pointing it out. I did not read it as not continuous, okay? So it's continuous at 2, correct, and differentiable at 0. You are right, I am wrong. Thank you for pointing it out. Answer is changed. 1 is false, 2 is correct. So option is A actually. Thank you for pointing it out. Thank you. Next. Yes. 60. Yeah, option A is a mistake, correct. This should be a negative infinity to plus infinity. Thank you, IIT JEE. Okay. Now it is, you can check. So all of these are correct actually. This is a printing mistake. Okay, this is not a mistake in the question. This is a printing mistake. So this you have to take, our answer is option D only. Yeah. Next. 60th is done. 61 we're gonna solve now. The last 10 questions. Should I solve or leave it? Should I solve or leave it? If you're done, if you're tired, we can end the session here also. The last session question we can leave. Let me know. Whoever in the live, let me know. And do not forget to like our scheduled live, because then only we get to know if you're attending or not. And if you have liked it, if you have kept the notification bell turned on, then only you'll have the consciousness to come back and see the sessions. Okay, it's very important to go ahead and come back and watch the classes that we have scheduled for you. It's for your benefit. If you don't watch it even at the last minute, then you will be at loss, bacha. Okay, so make sure that you have watched the session. If not live, at least later you can watch. Let's see if you have some if you have classes or something like that. Yeah. What about it's differentiable at x equals to 1? Solve. I didn't get your question. Which one should I solve? Yeah, x equals to 1 is over here, no? In this curve you're saying 60, right? So this is the curve x equals to 1. If you check over here, this given function is continuous and both differentiable. There's no break in the function. Why can't you differentiate it? You can differentiate it at 1 also. The given function is continuous and differentiable at 1, you're saying. Which question you're talking about? At 0, right? Is it 1 or 0? A power x key. Okay, I'm just talking about that only. So differentiable at x equals to 1, you're saying. It's 0 is given, right, in the question? Is it given as 1? 0. Please check. It's continuous only. It's differentiable and continuous everywhere. Yeah, got it. No, I got your question, IIT-JEE. You're saying उस function की x a power x की, right? So in a power x function, this is the graph, right? The graph is this. Okay, this is a graph. All right. But they're not asking you this condition, right? At x equals to 0, value of y function is 1, correct? So what? Is it not differentiable? Can you not differentiate this function at that point? You will have the answer as a power x. Okay, you're saying this. No, a power x ln a will be there, no? A power x ln a will be there. Excuse me. So what? No problem. It's continuous and differentiable everywhere. Okay, moving on. 61, the given condition for the function to be continuous at a and b. Continuous at every point in the interval. Okay, continuous at each and every point in the interval. No, at every point. The option 1 should be right. The function is left continuous at each point. No. Option A is right. No. The function is right continuous at each point. The function is left continuous at each point. That's of course true. So all of it then. Yeah, all of it then. 1, 2, 3. Option D. It's a very useless question, I will say. There's a definition of continuity. Yes. That is x equal to 0. That is not 1. That is x equal to 0. That is x equals to 0, right? When it intersects the y-axis. Okay. So what? That is also continuous. There's no sharp corner over there. Why any exponential function is continuous and differentiable everywhere in its domain. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now, moving on. Question number 61 is done. 62 now. 61, is it clear? 61, everyone? Is it clear? If you have doubt, let me know. 62 now. The value of fx, if the function is given like this, is continuous at the point x equals to 6. Is continuous is given, right? Value of fx at the point 6 given continuous. Okay, I can take this as factor. I'll have this as x minus 2 into x minus 2 cancelled. I have only x left. X cannot be 2, of course. X cannot be 2. Sorry, it cannot be 2. So we have x, function value will be what? 6 only, right? Option C is correct. Yes. 62C. That's true. Good job. 63. Okay. 63. Consider the function fr minus 2. The domain is all real minus 2. Means except for 2. Okay. The same function should be what should be the value of f of 2 if fx is continuous function from R to R. Continuous function from R to R. What should be the value of f of 2? Okay, where R is the set of all real numbers. F of 2, if you're looking for, first of all, if you take as f of 2, this will not be defined, okay, and this is not part of the domain also. If you take it from here, again you'll end up with what? Just x, right? So f of x, if you're looking for limiting value, right, f of x is coming as x, right? So if you're looking for limiting value, then it will be 2 only, right? It will be 2 only if you're looking for defining it. 2. Limiting value will be 2. Okay. Means right before and after. Basically, at 2, if I draw the graph of this function, at 2 there will be a break. There will be a break in the function. The graph is y equal to x, no? 1 second. The graph is y equal to x means this will go like this only. There will be a break in the function. Okay, that's the function, right? So at 2, what will happen is it will be a break. So there will be an open sign, of course, but the limiting value will be equal to 2. Check. Now, this question, anybody has doubt? Please check. If you factorize it, you will get y equal to x as the function, right? No? X minus 2 is cancelled. It means the function is not defined at x equals to 2. Everywhere else, the function is y equal to x. This is the graph of y equal to x. This is the graph of y equal to x, okay, and everywhere else the function is not, everywhere else the function is 2, and at 2 it is undefined, correct? So they are looking for limiting value for that. Limiting value will be, means the value just before this point, just before the point 2, just after the point 2, that will be 2 only, okay? So answer will be A. 63 answer is A, 2. Clear? This is the understanding of limits. That's what the meaning of the limit is. Limit helps you find the value which is not defined exactly by trying to reach, not exactly going to the point, but approaching the point. I will not touch this point, I'll just try to touch it, okay, try to approach it, okay? So that's why we can find the limiting value of this as 2, whereas f of 2 does not exist, okay? And since they have said that f of 2 is, so they have said that about that, it is a continuous function. So this you see over here actually. So what we have found, no, we have found limit of the function fx when x tends to 2. Okay, we have found this, and since it is a continuous function, no, since it is a given as continuous function in that domain, then I'll get this equals to f of 2. Okay, so this limiting value is actually equal to 2. This is equal to 2. So for that reason, f of 2 will become equal to 2. So listen to me, f of 2 you cannot find, it is undefined, but you can find the limiting value, and limiting value is 2. Since the given function is continuous, they have said that it is continuous from R to R, hence the continuous function definition is what? The limit becomes equal to the function value, hence f of 2 is equal to 2. I hope we got the answer. Please check. Yes? Yeah. Any doubt in this question? Anyone has doubt in this question number 63? No, right? No, right? Okay, 64 then. For the figure given below, consider the following statement 1, 2, 3. Okay, the given function is continuous and differentiable at 2. 2 is continuous and differentiable, correct? First one is true. Statement 2, the given function is not continuous but differentiable at 6. Not continuous and 8. If it is not continuous, then we cannot have differentiable, right? It means it is wrong. Not continuous but differentiable, that is not possible only. Statement number 3, the given function is continuous but not differentiable at 9. That's true, this is correct. Yeah, so this is also true. So 1 and 3 is correct. 1 and 3 is correct, 2 is false. Option B. Yeah? Okay. 63 you got, Rukmini? How did I do 63? Any doubt in 63? No. Okay. Last few questions. Come on. For the figure given below, consider the following statement 1 and 2. The given function is continuous and differentiable at 0. Correct? This is a smooth curve, so it is true. 2. The given function is not continuous and not differentiable. That is wrong. It is continuous actually. Check here. It is continuous. Continuous. Yes. Differentiable. No. So this is saying that not continuous, not differentiable. That is wrong. This is wrong. So only 1 is true, 2 is false. Option A is correct. All right. So option A is correct. Okay. Come on. The last few questions. Can you solve it? The last few questions. 66. X sine 1 by x continuous at 0. Value of k is what? Apply the L'Hopital rule. Okay. Let me know the answer. Let me know the answer. 65. 66. 67. So do one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions as homework. So all of you who are watching me live over here, these 4 questions are your homework. You have to let me know the answers of these last 5 questions. I've solved all of these for you. This is parametric form. This is again the question that we solved right now. Okay. X equals to 1, you have to check what will happen at 1. We have 2 critical points here. We have critical point as 0 and 2. 0 and 2. So at 1 you'll have a straight line. It'll be 0. Check. You'll have a constant. If you draw, no, you'll get a curve like this. It'll be constant. Differential of a constant is 0. Okay. Same way, apply logs on both sides and differentiate. apply the logarithm differentiation. Okay, this is modulus function, continuous but not differentiable. At which point? At the point 3, and this will be using LH rule. I'm giving you a hint for all the questions. Use LH rule over here, or you can use the standard form also. Sin by 1 by x upon 1 by x you can use. Okay, here you can use the simple definition. X equal to 3 is the answer. Here the answer is using the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, apply log on both sides. Here it is. Draw the graph. The way I explained it, this will be a constant. Y equals to some constant k will come. It's going to be answer as 0. Derivative will be 0 in that case. Here you will have to apply the parametric form. I think this will come as something tan, right? I'm not sure. 1 or tan. 2 sin theta cos theta and minus 2 cos theta sin theta, right? So it will be minus 1, I think. Is it minus 1? I'm not sure. Please check. Okay. So 66 is, so Rukmini has already solved 66. 67 also you can try solving. Rukmini said it is 0. Okay. I'm going to take it from her word. I don't know. You have to solve it to check. Yeah. Okay. So I think this is the end of your what do you call, continuity and differentiability chapter. All MCQs, all 70 I have explained and solved for all of you. As I said, 3 marks will come from this chapter, very, very important. And if you are here watching me, do not forget to go and like this session, which is coming tomorrow. Very, very important session about, if you have any concerns, any problem about PU2 board, don't worry. We are bringing for you tomorrow a launch, okay, a very important session where all of your concerns will be cleared, and you'll be surprised after the end of this live. So don't forget to attend that session. Okay, if you forget, it'll be your loss, bacha. Okay, and we don't want that to happen at last minute. 71. Okay, please check all the answers for all the 70 questions. I have given you the answers over here in the session. There's no need to give the PDF of this because you already have the question bank available with all of you. So had fun solving all these 70 questions of continuity and differentiability. Yes. Now nobody can complain, sir, this is missing, that is missing. I solved all of them. Okay. So all the best. Your one of the chapter is over. Anything you want to ask me before I leave, you're welcome to ask. Okay. I'll just have some water. Anything you want to ask me, you're welcome to ask. Yes. Yes, Nagraj, how are the preparations going for your PU2? All good? Rukmini, I think you are in my life for the first time. Yes. IIT JEE, you had a question. I hope it is cleared by now. The doubt? Okay. All right. So that's about this particular session where we solved all the questions from question bank of the chapter Continuity and Differentiability. Okay. So all done? Yes. Okay. So if you're done with the session, nothing to ask, you can leave. I will also wait for a couple of minutes before I end the class, end this live. Okay. So yes, if you're here for the first time, I hope you have not forgot to subscribe the button, subscribe our channel. Okay. We are here helping all of you bachas in every way possible. So in this chapter, I'll get stuck. Why will you get stuck? Which question you'll get stuck? Solve them again. Come and ask me the doubts in the next class. It's a good section. Yes. Yeah, it's a good chapter. It is a good chapter. I didn't get your doubt. Okay, so you'll not get stuck. Don't worry. Just practice a little bit more. Solve these questions once again. You have the question bank. Review it, okay? Review it once. And anyway, I'll come back, no? I'll come back and help you revise before exams also. Whether it is your FA2, whether it is your pre-boards, whether it is your boards, I'll be here holding your hand and taking you through. Okay? All right. So, yeah, your worries are my problem, okay? You don't have to worry about anything. Mathematics, I'll take care of everything. Okay? Chaliye. Okay, then I think we had a long evening. We had a long class. It's time to rest now. You're welcome, Rukmini. Yeah, go ahead, have your dinner, and whatever your plans are to study after that, to proceed with it. Okay, so if you all are okay with it, I can end the session today. We'll meet again very soon in the next live. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.